Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is a room tour of 8917 at Disney's Port Orleans Resort. This was our first time staying at a Disney resort, and we were pleasantly surprised. Not that there's anything to be surprised about Disney, because they really go all out, but the theming, the cleanliness was all great. They give you this Mickey head made out of towels and a welcome letter when you walk in. We were in building 85, which is only one of two with elevators, so keep that in mind. There was a seating area there, as well as a greeting on the TV. You do have a coffee maker with the Joffrey's coffee. You have a refrigerator. A few drawers. Several outlets and USBs right there on top. As well as in this closet you have your iron and iron board, as well as some place to hang things, as well as some extra bedding in case you need an extra cover or blanket. Of course, you have your Disney art. This is a 2-queen bedroom. You have a nightstand in the middle. And this Disney Alexa is pretty cool. You can set an alarm and you'll have Mickey or Goofy give you a wake-up call in the morning. It's pretty cool. And you can ask it all kinds of different Disney questions. The bathroom is huge, nice and clean. And of course you have your Disney soaps and lotions. A lot of people rave about. And they were pretty nice. As well as in the shower, you have your Disney body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And the shower is very clean. Behind the door was a safe. I forgot to film it. So if you do use a safe when you're going in a hotel, there is one in the wall. The cleaners come in every other day. So when we were here, we only stayed 2 nights. We decided to go down to the boat and take a boat ride over to Disney Springs. But on the way, we went ahead and stopped at the French Quarter to get some beignets. But that's all the places that the boat will stop. All the different resorts, so you can do a little bit of resort hopping. We always love to do that when we're down in the Disney area. And here's the boat. It's a short walk from the room. The Mickey beignets are a somewhat cheap treat at the Disney resort. For 3, it's a little over $7. And for 6, it's $11. Here's our Mickey beignets. Not quite as good as New Orleans, but they were good. And you got to pick 2 dipping sauces. We did caramel and chocolate. And then we continued over to Disney Springs. It's pretty cool coming into Disney Springs on a boat. First time we've done that. But all in all, we had a lot of fun. I wish our stay was a little longer. Like I said, it was only 2 nights. We went to Epcot the second day. And we really enjoyed our time there. The resort had pools, different activities throughout the day. But we really enjoyed this resort. We'd definitely stay there again. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. We do a lot of Disney videos as well as other travel. We are going back to Disney in November, so look for some videos coming out then. Thank you.